This has to be internal. Right click and then hit internal, and we can save. So we're done with this. The start chat box, which is finally we're here, which will start the chat box. New trigger is gonna be start chat. It's fairly simple. It just alright. So event, right click, new event, map initialization, and we're gonna just start the initialize the chat and then show the main panel. So new action, initialize chat right here. This is where you can set where you want it to go. So you can ignore these because these won't work. It's just the settings for this. So you could change it through here. Alright, back. So then you right click, hit new action. It's gonna be dialog, and then just type show hide dialog. This is gonna show the dialog we made. Chatbox variables t, which is the main one. Then go chatbox dialog, which is the outer that holds everything inside for all players. So technically we're done with the chat box itself, and I'll show you a preview. So as you can see, I didn't adjust the thing yet. If we go triggers, we go to initialize chat. Where is it? It's bottom. Where is it? Wait. Initialize chat. Bottom. I forgot to set the anchor. Okay. So no worries. All we had to do is go here, go to initialize chat, and relative to perimeter anchor. Now it should like run at the bottom. So I'll show you. So this chat box, type anything, and it gives me errors. Alright, I figured out the issue. So in update chat, you go here and then you click on this parentheses, and it's supposed to be convert string to text, as it wasn't last time. It said just entered. So now it actually should. No, it's not supposed to be that. It's supposed to be only enter chat screen. Where is it? Alright, apparently I was looking for the wrong name. There's something wrong. Message. I put text. No wonder. As I suspect that it needs to be string. Update. It shouldn't be causing errors, should it? Yeah, no errors. Except this. Now you could actually put chat string. Alright, here's the checklist. We finished the start chat box. So sorry about all those errors, but the best thing is that you learn from your mistakes. So everything as I see now should work as planned, so let's run it. Alright, here we are. Let's see if it works now. And it alright, guess there's something else wrong, because the one I'm running actually works. Let's see, I thought that was the issue. Maybe I didn't save it. Hold on. Alright, so I copied and pasted from here, and I brought this here. So I've noticed two things that we may have missed, which is bad on my part, though at least we are fixing them right now. So player triggering player, it's supposed to be perimeter player, and here it's not you don't hit the variable. You click here and hit function, and then you type string, convert string to integer. Convert string to text. Once this is done, Then you can hit perimeter message. Supposedly that's what I missed, uh, because this is the main part where it would give me an error. So uh, by fixing this, I hope it works. Alright, here we are again. Sorry for all the errors. Let's see if this works finally. It works? Well, it works, but it gives me an error. I think you can just ignore this because I forgot. I just clear messages. No, you can't ignore it. This is the bug it's talking about. It seems, and ignore that because if you heard it, it's supposedly a truck outside. Alright, so this is the bug I was talking about. It gives you spaces, so you need to remove the last created dialog. So, let's go back to the editor. Yes. Making a chat box is pretty complicated, like if you don't have somebody there telling you how it works. So, found the error. It's select the items of, click last created dialog item, variable, chatbox variable, member, chatbox items. So, let's hope it works this time. Excuse all the errors, but at least at the end we can actually get a functional chatbox. Alright, let's give this a go. Go. Is it working? It's working! And you can ignore this. I'm not sure why it does this. You can just hide the little errors because it's not really a major thing. You can see how it's actually working. And it's selecting the one under it. So you could actually, look, so see how I put F, L. So as I said, if you scroll down, you'll see this. So F, and it shows you the last created item, and it keeps deleting it. So you push F, it deletes it. V, it deletes it. So it doesn't like give you spaces. But like if you see, you could scroll down to it, but there's not much of a difference. You type A, unless you select the one above it, and it does that, which we could fix, which I'll do right now. I was wondering where this went. I believe we put it here earlier. So just right click, hit cut, and move it here and paste it below the turn on. As I explained earlier, this is what controls that. I'll also let's see, turn off the Lua errors because that actually confuses a lot of people. Hide errors. Hit OK. Good to go. Alright, we're in game. Let's see if this works. Test. G. Just like keep spamming it and then you'll see it go down. So you could use this to test the selection system. So type G, all different letters, type L. You can't scroll down, it works perfectly. And that's the chat box. Excuse all the errors, but I'm gonna leave them in so then you can learn like from mistakes and you could actually see everything that works and that won't work. So as you can see though, it shows up right here, the middle of the screen. I'll show you how to remove that, but other than that, the chat box is complete. So let's get to the alright, now for removing this, you don't need the trigger editor. You need to go up here and find UI. You click up here, find UI, and you can just hit all data to tutorial chat box. So you can, or whatever you named it. What you need to do here is up here, make sure you click view XML because that's the code you have to use. So right click here, add layout, and then do chat. You can't space, so I'm gonna name mine chat invisible. Alright, this is what's here. I'm gonna post this link, this information this code in the description, but you have to copy and paste this code into. So when you copy and paste it, we're done with this. Pretty sure there's no errors. Oops. We're done with that. Hit save, and it's good. You can just close out of it, and we'll go in. Alright, here we go. Does it work? Finally. Dot dot dot. Boom. And that's how you make the chat box. It doesn't show anymore, and the chat box seems to work fine. Alright, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching the video, and please, if you want to know anything, or if you have any issues, just leave a comment below, and hopefully I'll be able to fix it. As you can see, I fixed the issue, but encountered multiple actions based on it. But hopefully, if somebody's there to help you, you'll understand this more. So, I'll see you next time. See ya.